Wireless communication. A wireless network is an infrastructure to communicate through the airwaves. In other words, no cables are needed to connect from one point to another. Wireless networks are also used to communicate between computers. The primary attraction is its ability to cross long distances without installing fixed lines and cables. Wireless communication technology. Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi refers to wireless fidelity. It is a popular technology that allows an electronic device to exchange data wirelessly over a computer network, including high-speed internet connections. It can be done in homes, businesses, etc. Benefits: 1. Highly flexible. 2. Spontaneous. 3. Modularity. 4. High-speed connectivity. 5. Economical setup. 6. Security. Wi-Fi devices. A wireless access point connects a group of wireless devices to an adjacent network. Various Wi-Fi enabled devices are laptops or computers, cell phones, automobiles, Game Boys, consumer electronic devices. Infrared. Infrared technology allows computing devices to communicate via short-range wireless signals. With infrared, computers can transfer files and other digital data bidirectionally. The infrared transmission technology used in computers is similar to that used in consumer product remote control units. Infrared communications span very short distances. Devices are placed within a few feet, not more than 5 meters, of each other while connection. It is also known as IR. Bluetooth. The name Bluetooth is borrowed from Harald Bluetooth, a king in Denmark more than 1000 years ago. Bluetooth technology was designed primarily to support simple wireless networking of personal consumer devices and peripherals, including cell phones. Bluetooth is a RF technology that operates at 2.4 GHz, has network adapters which transmit and receive data. It has an effective range of 32 feet, that is 10 meters, and has a transfer rate of 1 Mbps and throughput of 721 kbps. WiMAX. WiMAX, Worldwide Interoperability for Microwave Access, is a wireless communication digital system. WiMAX can provide 30 to 40 megabyte per second data rates, with the update providing up to 1 Gbps for fixed stations. WiMAX would operate similar to Wi-Fi but at higher speeds over greater distances and for a greater number of users. It can provide broadband wireless access up to 50 km for fixed stations and 5 to 15 km for mobile stations. WiMAX requires a tower called WiMAX base station, similar to a cell phone tower. It is a microwave link to establish a connection. Advantages of wireless communication. Communications has enhanced to convey the information quickly to the consumers. Working professionals can work and access internet anywhere and anytime without carrying cables or wires wherever they go. Doctors, workers, and other professionals working in remote areas can be in touch with medical centers through wireless communication. Urgent situation can be alerted through wireless communication. The affected regions can be provided help and support with the help of these alerts through wireless communication. Wireless networks are cheaper to install and maintain. Disadvantages of wireless communication. Wireless network has led to many security threats to mankind. It is very easy for the hackers to grab the wireless signals that are spread in the air. It is very important to secure the wireless network so that the information cannot be accessed by the unauthorized users. This also increases the risk to lose information.